Myndbend is built to streamline common Zendesk processes. Let's dive into a couple practical use cases to show you how the app works. Say you're bringing on a new hire. Typically, onboarding a new employee includes several tasks, like getting them to sign paperwork, providing a desk, setting up a laptop, and so on. Now, we could create separate tickets for each of these tasks in Zendesk, manually assigning and tracking each ticket, following up with multiple departments, checking in with the new hire. Or we could use a new hire ticket template we created with Myndbend. We create a single ticket with the new hire's information, enter notes about what resources they need, and Myndbend automatically creates and assigns all the necessary child tickets. HR gets a notification to file paperwork via one child ticket, IT gets a notification to prep a laptop through another child ticket, and the employee gets login credentials for software platforms via another child ticket. And all of this is tied back to our new hire parent ticket, with important info being synced back and forth between both parent and child tickets. If I click here, I can see all of the parent and child tickets and click into each for more info. When all the child tickets are solved, I have a trigger that automatically marks the parent ticket as solved. With just a couple clicks, we can generate and assign dozens of child and grandchild tickets across departments, and all of that rolls up into a single parent ticket for our common new hire process. Our ticket templates are fully customizable to suit your workflow, and you can use them with Zendesk placeholders, macros, and triggers.